Bighorn family, what's up? So I think I'm gonna go ahead and do it. Like the I like the resonator delete and everything, but I'm finding myself these days I want some more growl. So I think I'm gonna give me a Super 44 exhaust muffler. I mean, Super 44 muffler install. I think I'm gonna do it, guys. I'm going home and I'm about to order it, and then after I order the Super 44 muffler, I think it's gonna sound pretty good. Resonator's already deleted, it's got Flowmaster kit on it. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and make that move. So again, excuse the dirty truck. It is just, I'm out here in the country, y'all. But anyway, see, my calipers is chipping. Like, it was black, but it's chipping. Same on the front. I mean, so I want to get all of that either repainted or get caliper covers. And then I also want to do, like, I want to cover this up, so maybe a new like plastic undercarriage to go there. We out here in Leland, Mississippi, and having a little car show. So thought I'd stop by and get some content. I didn't put the Ram in the car show. It's dirty right now. I didn't really feel like cleaning it up, but I don't know. There's another car show coming up in Greenville. I may get ready to put it in there. So just getting y'all some other content today, checking out some of the cars and trucks that's out here. So y'all enjoy. All right, peace.